Open your MS Excel and go to your data. In example 1, we want to automate where the items are going to be shipped. We are going to use the switch function. Let's go to line F3. In line F3, type equals switch, parenthesis, select the expression. For this example will be B3, comma, then type the value, laptop, comma, and then type the result, South America. You will need to enter all the rest of the values, monitor, keyboard, and headphones, as it appear in the example. Make sure to use quotation marks for each one. Once you finish to enter all the information, just close with a parenthesis and hit Enter. Drag down to the rest of the lines to complete all of them. Let's go to example 2. In this example, we want to provide a rating to each performance number. Let's go to line D3. In line D3, type equals switch, parenthesis, select the expression. For this example will be C3. That is the number 5, comma, then type the value 0. That is the first value in our table, comma, and then type the result not rated. You will need to enter all the rest of the values, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, as it appear in the example table. Once you finish to enter all the information, just close with a parenthesis and hit Enter. Drag down to the rest of the lines to complete all of them. If you change any of the values from the expression line column C, you will notice the change in column D right away.